warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. So in this presentation, I would like to explain about the nature of young learners, including their characteristic, how they learn, and how teachers can deal with different types of learners. But before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Desita Melia, and my student ID number is 1242040006. So I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, first let's talk about the characteristic of young learners. So you can see at the poster that young learners are very active and energetic. They like to move, so they cannot sit still for a long time. That's why teachers need to include activities like games or movement. And they also have a short attention span, which means they get bored easily. Because of this, teachers should change activities regularly to keep them interest. In another characteristic is that they love playing and fun activities. They learn better when learning feels like a game. They are also curious and imaginative, so they enjoy exploring new things and using their imagination. In addition, young learners understand better when they can see or touch real objects, not just listen to explanations. And finally, they are not afraid of making mistakes, which actually helps them learn language more naturally. Next, I will explain how children learn based on some theories. According to John Piaget, children learn by building knowledge from their experience. They connect with information with what they already know, and sometimes they change their understanding. That is why children need real and concrete learning, not abstract explanation. And then Lev Vygotsky explained that learning is a social process. Children learn better when they interact with teachers or friends. He also introduced the concept of zone of proximal development, where children can learn more with guidance from others. Finally, Jerome Bruno said that children learn through discovery. They understand better when they explore and find answers by themselves. Learning usually starts from action, then image, and finally language. So overall, children learn best when learning is interactive, meaningful, and fun. Okay, now let's talk about how to deal with different types of learners. First, visual learners learn best by seeing, so teachers can use pictures, flashcards, or videos. And second, auditory learners learn through listening. Teachers can use songs, storytelling, and repetition. Third, kinesthetic learners learn by doing and moving, so activities like games and role play are very effective. Because every student is different, teachers should combine different methods in one lesson. For example, when I taught vocabulary about animals, I use pictures and ask students to imitate the animal sounds and movements. The students were very excited. Visual learners focused on the pictures, auditory learners enjoy the sounds, and kinesthetic learners like moving their bodies. As a result, the students were more active and could remember the vocabulary better. In conclusion, young learners learn best when lessons are fun, interactive, and meaningful. Teacher needs to understand their characteristics and use different strategies to support all learners. Alright, that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.